Efficiently use Dynamics 365 Business Central, 5 tips. Welcome to our video on tips and tricks for using Dynamics 365 Business Central more efficiently. In this video, we'll share some valuable insights and techniques that can help you streamline your work processes and save time. 1. Use keyboard shortcuts. Did you know that Dynamics 365 Business Central has a number of keyboard shortcuts that can help you perform tasks more quickly? For example, you can use Ctrl+C to copy data, Ctrl+V to paste it, and Ctrl+X to cut it. You can also use the F3 key to search for data, and the F4 key to display a list of values. 2. Customize your workspace. Dynamics 365 Business Central allows you to customize your workspace to suit your needs. You can add or remove fields, move columns, and resize windows. This can help you focus on the information that is most important to you and make it easier to navigate through the system. 3. Use filters and views. Filters. Views can help you quickly find the information you need. You can filter data based on criteria such as date, status, or location. You can also create custom views that display only the data you need to see. This can help you save time and be more efficient. 4. Use templates. Dynamics 365 Business Central has a number of templates that can help you create new records more quickly. For example, you can use templates for sales quotes, purchase orders, and invoices. This can help you save time and ensure that you are using consistent formats and information. 5. Take advantage of automation. Dynamics 365 Business Central has a number of automation features that can help you save time and reduce errors. For example, you can set up workflows that automatically send notifications, create tasks, or update records. You can also use batch jobs to perform tasks such as posting invoices or updating inventory. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful for using Dynamics 365 Business Central more efficiently. By taking advantage of keyboard shortcuts, customizing your workspace, using filters and views, using templates, and taking advantage of automation features, you can streamline your work processes and be more productive. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos,